Listen carefully. These three foods look perfectly healthy, but after age 50, they're quietly destroying your energy, your joints, and even your heart. First, white bread and refined flour. It spikes your blood sugar fast, makes you tired, and increases belly fat. Your body simply can't process it like it used to. Second, processed meats. Those sausages, hot dogs, and cold cuts may look tasty, but they're full of sodium and preservatives that raise your blood pressure and stiffen your arteries. And number three, sugary drinks. Even fruit juices sold as healthy can load your body with hidden sugar. They drain your energy and make your skin age faster. So what's the fix? Replace white bread with whole grains, skip the processed meats, and drink plain water or herbal tea instead. It's not about strict dieting. It's about giving your body what it truly needs to stay young, strong, and alive, even after 50.